Next question is, what programming language are you guys using for developing the device?
Several. Yeah, we use several different types of programming languages. So for chip development, a lot of Verilog for doing low-level programming at the kind of the register transfer level. As you go up higher and higher, there are various C, C++, Python. But to be honest, like at the end of the day, it's not which programming language do you know how to use. It's do you know the principles behind coming up with just methods to enable these systems to work. So I think if you have any experience in programming and you've been building things since you're little, you should really come join us.
Yeah, but can it play Crysis?
Eventually.
Yeah, it can play Crysis.
Cool. Crisis confirmed. And then Ian, what about Ian, what about the robot? What kind of programming languages and tech stacks are you using over there?
I mean, sort of just reiterating what DJ said, sort of doesn't matter. Like specifically for us, there's a real-time low-level platform, C++, some Java and Python scripts. But really, those are more just like pragmatic choices to essentially optimize for getting like productive work done. So it doesn't really matter what your background is or necessarily what the tools you use are. It's more just can you like accomplish things really quickly.